The initial idea for the Asto CT Equine started back with veterinarians at the University of Wisconsin.
Peter Muir had an appointment, and he had an idea for an upright CT scanner to scan horses' legs.
At the very beginning, I had worked with some of my colleagues in the veterinary school to think about the idea of bringing standing CT to horses. We developed the concept and knew that was a big need for this type of imaging in veterinary medicine.
They were looking for a way to be able to do CT scanning of a horse that was standing rather than putting them under general anesthesia. So they wanted to at first look at distal limbs. Later on, they also asked if we could look at head and neck as well.
So we had to develop a scanner that would come up, scan legs, and then be able to turn the scan head 90 degrees and scan heads and necks as well.
And with these two concepts, we were able to create the Equine product. Having completed that first scan, I immediately saw, how skeptics became convinced that this is the right technology to use.
I couldn't believe how fast it was. I couldn't believe how easy it was. The fact that the image quality was exceptionally good, and the first reaction by the surgical vet was, my God, I've never seen this before. And so that to me was a tremendous feeling.
As we're approaching this milestone of 10,000 patient scans, which is incredibly exciting, it's enabled veterinarians, clinicians to make a specific diagnosis of what the problem is. And for both head and neck imaging as well as limb imaging, that's very enabling.
It's something where you see your work and efforts, as well as that of the team, become reality and are starting to be used in practice. My advice would be to come and see the product in action. Seeing is believing, and this will help you identify how this can work in your practice and improve your overall treatment and care of horses.
What excites me is people finding out about it, listening to others, and adopting the technology so that you really have the opportunity to diagnose properly. It's very rewarding to have a product that does so much, both scanning limbs and heads and necks.